Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get started. Here I have prepared my data in Microsoft Excel, and for example, I'm going to add drop-down list to this gift column. So first of all, we can select the column like this, and we're going to go to the data menu, and you're going to go to the data tools here, select this icon, data validation, and then you're going to choose data validation, and here you're going to choose list. Okay, then you can add the list. For example, I'm going to add list of gift. I'm just going to type in notebook. Okay, then you can type in semicolon as the separator, but actually you can also type comma. It depends on your Excel setting. Okay, like this. Wait. Oops, sorry guys. Lower, and then also pencil case. Okay, then just click on OK. And now as you can see that the drop-down list has been created, and I'm going to click on the symbol to choose the list. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create drop-down list in Microsoft Excel. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!